Hi, this is Scott in No Room for Projects, and today I'm going to show you about this headlight down here. Is all foggy and we're not getting much light out on the road when we're driving at night, and so I'm going to use some of this Rainx headlight restorer and show you if it's any good. So I'm going to mask off a piece of the headlight so we can do a reveal after doing part of it. So I'm going to mask that part off right there, and I'll do the upper part, and then we'll do the lower part and see how it goes. So I don't know if you have to shake this or not. Rinse any dirt or debris away. Apply it to a damp, soft cloth or directly onto surface. I'm going to put it directly onto the surface, so you don't have to shake it. Then you apply pressure and use a circular motion to rub onto the plastic headlight, rinse, and wipe dry with a clean paper towel or soft cloth. So I'm going to put this, I don't know if you can see that. I'm just going to put some of this goop right on the headlight. Don't know how much to put on, but I'm going to put it on. And I think I'm going to put on some rubber gloves, because I don't know how toxic this is, and just a little bit more protection. I always use two, just because you never, it seems like whenever you're painting or doing something like this, you're always getting it on the other hand. Okay, so I'm going to do the circular motion, and I'm not pressing very hard, I'm just going circular. I can't imagine that this would do anything. Oops, got it on the car. Not sure I want it on the car. And so we'll just work it in good. You'd think you'd need a buffer to buff the little micro scratches out, but we'll see. They had several different kits at the auto parts place. Some had, it was a complete kit with a buffer cloth and a little pad that had some of this stuff on it. But I decided to get the Rainx because it had more in it, and I figured I could do several sets of headlights with just the one bottle. Yeah, I just can't imagine that this is going to do anything. Oops. I guess I'll have to just rub that off after I'm done and hope that it doesn't damage the paint. I use two fingers. The one finger is getting tired. It doesn't say how long you're supposed to rub. I've been wanting to do this for about a year or two now, but these just keep getting foggier and foggier. So I decided today was the day to do it and see if it does anything. It still feels like there's foggy underneath, and I can still see that it's foggy underneath. So like I said, I don't know how long you're having to rub this. Any improvement's good, but yeah, I can still see underneath this goop that there's still fogginess under it. Okay, I'm going to wipe it off with this other, get it off the paint first. Yeah, it feels dry, so I may have to get it wet. to get it off. but it looks like it did nothing. Looks like it might have done something over on this side. Yeah, that looks terrible. So much for the magic. Let's do the reveal. It does look better. It looks brighter. This is more yellow, but it's still really foggy, and it's definitely not clear. So I don't know. Some of it might come off with water, and I'm going to get some more water too. But I think I'll put some on this part of the headlight and try it. But so far, I give it about a 2 out of 5 rating. I don't know if the others are any good, but we'll put some more on here. It doesn't say you have to do it 20 times, but in their ad, or at least on here, I don't know if you can focus on that. It shows very yellow and foggy, and here it shows crystal clear. I'm not seeing that at all. It says removes discoloration and haze from clear plastic. I'm not seeing it. But we'll keep going a little bit and see if it makes a difference. It did make a difference, but not the difference they're showing on the package. Not anything like they show on the package. And it may be that if you used a buffing wheel, it might take it out. But it doesn't say you need to use a buffing wheel. It says you're just supposed to use a cloth, which is what I'm doing. But it doesn't seem to be making all that much of a difference like on the package. Boy, I think I got too much goop on there. Now I got it all over the car. Okay. Now when I'm done, I'll probably have a line where it was good, where it was better, and then where I did it the second time. So I'm doing the circles, doing just like it said. And I guess we'll do a compare with the two different headlights to see if it's made a real difference. I'm going to be really disappointed if it didn't, because I don't want to really go buy another one. This was the package, the complete packages were like $10, $11, and there were a number of different products that were $7 and $8 that had just the liquid in it. It's buffing compound, which is supposed to solve the problem. Didn't say how long to do this. I'm going to do it for just a few more seconds, and then I'll go get some water and we'll wash it off and see what happens. I can still see that haze through there. Okay, we've got some water now. We're going to see if this will rinse off and see if it's done any good. Oop, got some on the car. Well, definitely improvement. Definitely is an improvement. So maybe 3.5 out of 5. maybe 3 3/4 out of 5. Let's go show the other headlight. Okay, let's come see what we had before. So that's what we had before, and now let's go back and show the other one. So you can still see the haze, so it didn't completely take it out, but definitely better. So 3 3/4 out of 5. I don't know what the others would do, but I'm pleased with what it's done, because it is much better, and it will be much better to work with. And we'll do the other one and then show you the results of that. Okay, we're going to do the other headlight. I'm really quite amazed at what it will do without buffing, with just rubbing. It doesn't feel gritty. Doesn't even feel like toothpaste, which some people have actually used toothpaste to buff their headlights and have seemed to make it work. So I guess you could try toothpaste and see if that'll work. It's probably cheaper than this stuff. But I can see a difference already in this one, even through the extra haze of the paste stuff. It's not even a paste, it's more like a, I don't even know what kind of texture it is. Feels fairly smooth, but it seems to be making a difference. Put a little more on. And today is about 40 degrees, maybe 38 degrees. Don't know if that makes a difference, other than my fingers are cold. Yeah, you can still see that haze right there in the middle. Probably right where it takes the brunt of all the bugs and bug guts. I was pretty messy with this one, with the getting it on the paint. So it did make a real difference. So yeah, compared with what it was before, that was worth the. This was on sale for about $7. Okay, now let's show the other one. So that's the Rainx headlight restorer, and I would recommend it. It did a pretty decent job, not a great job. It did a better job on this other one than it did on the driver's side. It's probably 75% better. So it's not clear like they show in on the pictures or in the demos that they show, but definitely worth $7. So go try it, and if you like this, subscribe and give me a like and give some comments if you want to see other things, and we'll see you next time.